Hi, in this video we are going to analyze the stock of Boeing company. The reason being that it is being reported that Qatar Airways has signed a letter of intent with Boeing for 160 planes. Now in this video we are going to analyze whether the company is overvalued or undervalued, considering the market cap of the company is currently $155 billion. In the first quarter of 2025, the company has reported an increase in revenue year on year. It reported a revenue of nearly $19 billion for 2025. It increased from $16 million in 2024 quarter 1. However, in the first quarter of 2025, the company reported a loss of nearly $31 million, which decreased from $355 million, which was reported in the quarter 1 of 2024. As per the balance sheet, the company is having an equity deficit of nearly $3.3 billion. So it is a loss making company and has reported losses in the past. So considering, since the company posted a revenue of nearly $19 billion in the first quarter, we can expect that the company will report a projected net sales of nearly $80 billion for this full year. However, since the company is not making profits and has a equity deficit of nearly $3 billion, it is reasonable to say that the company is currently overvalued because the company is not profitable at this moment.